This is on you, Philip Salvador. Tatay ka ni Josh. Ang mali ko kasi is that I let you off easily. Pinuri pa kita. Kasi kinumpare kita sa tatay ni Bim. Dahil ang sinabi ko, buti ka pa, hindi mo kami kinulo. Ang hindi ko nabanggit sa mga tao, 16 years kang walang inabot kahit piso kay Josh. But obviously, sasabihin ng mga tao, hindi mo naman kailangan, Chris, mayaman ka. And that's true. May kaya ako. May nanay ako, may mga kapatid ako, kumikita ako. Pero, sana naisip mo, that line, niloko mo si Chris Aquino. What does that make of your son? It was very hurtful kasi sinabihan ako ng mom eh. Don't you realize, kay Philip Salvador, you're only a trophy? Uunahan ko na kayong lahat. I was 23 years old when the relationship started. How many times did I hear? Nakaisa si Ipe, siyang nakauna kay Chris. Yes, totoo yun. I was a virgin and I got pregnant. And I left my family. I chose him. And I turned a blind eye. I turned a blind eye to the gambling. I turned a blind eye to the nights na hindi ma-explain kung bakit hindi umuuwi. Alam ko tapos na yung shooting. Sampal din sa mukha ko nung dinitalya ni Rosana Roses yung affair nila habang kami pa mag-asawa. But again, that's my fault. Sumama ako sa isang lalaki na hindi pa annulled. If I am just part of a skit or part of a joke or part of a way to entertain people, what kind of country is this? Again, sasabihin ko, so many reached out to me and said, you can use this. This can be something political. I'm not using this. And I told that to Bongo. I said, you treated me kindly when you did not have to. So I want to end this now. Gusto ko lang sabihin, sana naisip lang ninyo na in the midst of your campaign, there's a 23-year-old boy who is special, who is autistic, who watches you. And I'm directing this message to Philip Salvador. The last time you saw him was 2012 sa dressing room ng ABS-CBN. Yung batang yan, hindi nakakakita ng masama sa mundo. Proud siya eh. Nilapit ka niya kay Bim at pinakilala ka niya. Sinabi niya kay Bim, this is my papa. Tapos, gagawin yung biro. Gagawin yung punchline na naloko si Chris Aquino.